Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to an update, a new video on the Ocean token or Ocean protocol. Wanted to update it because, it already has been some days since I last updated it, and since most of you know, I like Ocean a lot. I think it's one of the best cryptos actually in the whole AI and big data narrative. And I know that a lot of you are interested in those AI cryptos as well, even though Ocean Protocol really is more of a big data token. That doesn't matter. So I wanted to do that. Apart from that, this morning I made 7 videos with my new microphone, and the audio was actually horrendous. It was very, very bad. So this is also a test because I fixed some things, or at least I think I fixed some things. This is also a test to see whether the audio right now is actually better. Because trust me, if you haven't seen the videos from this morning, don't check them out, please. Alright, but let's get right into it. Ocean Protocol itself has been relatively quiet ever since the AI and big data narrative slowed down a little bit last week. It's also weekend, so you can see that the volume has dropped down quite significantly. We have been holding our levels fairly well, especially the support level around 43 cents. Even got some minor bullish breakout. We'll talk about that in the technical part. But altogether, Ocean is doing fine. It's not very bullish. It's not very bearish either. We're pretty neutral, which is actually, you could consider that as bullish in these markets. But yeah, if we then take a look at the technicals, because I think that's the most interesting part. What you can see is that we suffered quite heavily Thursday after the news from the SEC that Kraken had to end their staking as a service platform. Dropped down quite massively, dropped down below this support level at 46 cents. Dropped down immediately down to 42 cents, the bottom of this entire level. And what we did today, there's this level in the middle, kind of at 45 cents, and we broke above that, which allowed us to test the 382 fib of this recent bearish move, which is usually the strongest fib. And from there we found resistance, dropped down to 45 cents, the level we broke above. And right now I expect us to find some more support there, but I do think that the 46 cents level is stronger than this level at 45 cents. And breaking through that I don't think is possible, or I think it's possible, but it would really have to be with some momentum around AI and big data again, which is pretty unpredictable, as most of you know. So with that, we could actually do that. If we're breaking above 46 cents, we can actually become very bullish very quickly. We'll get up to 52 cents easily. But for now, that's not what I expect. And I also don't think it's in line with the market right now. I think it's more likely that we'll stay on top of 45 cents for a little bit longer, but then afterwards we'll have a bearish breakout, drop down to 42 cents. And after that, because right now the technicals are quite bearish, and we found resistance at the 382, I think we'll extend our bottom. So I think we'll drop down lower towards 40 cents. Strong technical level, strong psychological support level. So I actually have a lot of confidence in that level, and it's a trade I'm debating to make. I'm looking at something like this perhaps. I think this would be a good one, but I'm not too sure about that yet. Also depends on the market, because I am expecting volatility early next week with the inflation rate coming out, for example. So what I expect is that in the days ahead of that inflation rate, I think we'll just be on our way down to 40 cents, where I do expect us to find support in that level between 40 and like 38 cents. From there, I also expect us that we can continue the uptrend, or at least consolidate. But we might actually not be there yet until the inflation rate is there, which is right now in about 48 hours, I think 44 hours. So until that time, I think something like this is going on, but we might still be at 42, 41 instead of being at 40, 38. Alright, so that's my full take on Ocean. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Let me know how the audio was, but for now, enjoy the rest of your Sunday and take care. Bye.